Did you know that Hope in the Park has been going since 2008? If my maths is correct, which it usually is not, that is 15 years that it's been going, and we're doing another one next Sunday. It's an amazing opportunity to reach out in our community, to get schools involved, local churches, to bring that unity, to see people together and families enjoying themselves on a lovely Sunday morning. So why don't you join us next week? It's going to be here at the park, Hickman Park, right in the middle here in all this space, and it's going to be happening from 11 till 2 p.m. So bring a picnic, bring your families, bring your friends, bring anyone, bring your dog, whoever. Come along for Hope in the Park. So Heather, tell me, how long have you been doing crocheting for?
I've been crocheting for 46 years, Sandy.
46 years, guys, did you hear that? That's amazing. And now you're doing this at church, aren't you? Every Friday, 10 till 12, people can join you for crochet and chatter.
They can.
Tell us a bit more about how it's been going so far.
It's been going well. Although the ladies have crocheted before, we do accept beginners. I will learn them from day one. We are starting, this session is cardigans.
Oh.
So that's what we're doing at the moment.
And I just found out that Tom Daly also crochets.
Yes.
Who is young, hip, like me. So young people, you should be coming to this. So guys, if you're interested in crochet and chatter, then come here Fridays 10 till 12 to join in with the lovely Heather and learn how to crochet and make cardigans. It's going to be good. So Devoted Conference is happening this October, and we're super excited for us ladies to get together to go deeper in our faith. So guys, tickets are on sale, so make sure you head to our website or on Church Street to make sure you get yours ahead of the event. Yourself a fire marshal? Well, we've got some training coming up to train you in how to use one of these bad boys on the 24th of June. So if you're interested in that, to help us keep people safe here in the building and to volunteer with that, then why not speak to one of the team or simply sign up on Church Street for this event that's going to be happening to get trained up as a fire marshal. Remembers the Together Fest from last year? Who remembers me on the stage there? Okay, not many of you, but that's fine. Well, this year it's happening again on July the 8th. But what we're going to do as a church, because we know what a fantastic time it was and what an amazing, impactful event it was for the whole of the Black Country, we're a part of it, and we're going to be going to pray for this event on Wednesday the 28th of June. So that's the last Wednesday of this month, and we're going to be heading down there as a church, meeting there at 7:30 along with other churches in the Black Country to pray ahead of this Together Festival. We're really believing God's going to reach more people through this event, with people bringing their family members and all sorts. I think it's going to be a great time together in the Black Country. So why don't you join us for that prayer walk around Himley Hall on Wednesday the 28th, and as well make sure you've got your tickets booked ready for July the 8th for the Together Fest. Now, because we're a church that's partnered with this event, we get you a discount. Yep, don't say we don't help you. So you can get a discount if you book in through our website. You can get tickets for your family, for your friends. Why not invite someone along and let them come and experience what it looks like to be together with other like-minded Christians in the Black Country. It's going to be a great time, guys, so get your tickets and meet us there for that prayer walk on Wednesday the 28th. We'll see you there. So guys, for XL News. Make sure you check out what's going on our social media for more regular updates, or check out our website or the Church Suite calendar. It's all online for you to see. So guys, have a great week and we'll see you next week for Hope in the Park.